Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars. Man, do we have a good one for you. We're going to take a look at this 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback. If you have any questions on this, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have questions, just give us a call, but we're going to take a look at this 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback. What an awesome car this is here. Finished in that beautiful Wimbledon white with blue pony interior. It's a C code upgraded to an A code car, which means they took a 2-barrel and put a 4-barrel on it, which is really good. Really, really nice. We're going to take a look at it here. It's finished in beautiful blue and white interior. Really looks good there. It's got that dealer added air conditioning. A lot of people call it factory air, but Mustangs did not have factory air. It was a dealer addition in 1966. So it's got a fold down rear seat. Really looks good. I love the pony interior. Oh, the dash is in excellent shape. Beautiful, beautiful car. All the doors are good. Really gorgeous car here. We're going to shut the door. We'll take a look inside the trunk here. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully. Still has the factory undercoating on the quarters, which is hard to find. This one has it. On both sides, it's got a spare tire and a jack equipment. Really, really looks good. I'm going to shut the trunk here. Dad's going to start it up for us, and we'll see how it sounds. Really sounds good. What a beautiful car. Love the wheels on it. Tires really look good. All the doors are in great shape. Really, really nice and clean. I'm going to cut it off here. Air conditioner works great. It's super cold. All the lights work. It's got a new model radio in it. Really works good. It's like one of those vintage sound radios. Love that. I'm going to shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. It's powered by a 289 power steering. It's got power disc brakes. It's got the big disc brakes in the front, which is very rare. Like I said, a dealer installed factory air conditioning. Really, really clean there. Shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback. If you have any questions on this, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this Mustang for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback for a test drive, see how it does. What a beautiful interior this is. Air conditioner works great. I'll show you. Comes on, blows super cold. It'll freeze you out of the car. So we're going to take this Mustang on a test drive and see how it does. Got a little bit of traffic coming, so as soon as it clears out, while we're waiting, I'll have Dad show you the turn signals working. Go ahead and show. There's the left side, and there's the right side. Horn works. We're going to take it on a test drive. Here we go.
Better than the driver.
All right, here we go. drives great. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Excellent running driving car. It's got good power. Alright, we're going to turn around up here and head back. The radio works great. Due to copyright purposes, I can't show it on YouTube. So if you would like to see the radio working, just let me know and I'll get you a video of that. But we're going to turn around and head back here, and like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this Mustang's made of. Just got awesome power. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Alright, we are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. Alright, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, here's the underneath.